Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Huawei Mate X S2. Alright, so I just downloaded the WhatsApp to show you the whole process. Simply make sure that you have your SIM card inserted. And now open up your WhatsApp. You'll have something like that. The app welcomes us. Simply select your language, click on agree and continue. Also, when you will be downloading the WhatsApp from the store, you also need to agree that you want to download MicroG. Now, in this bar, simply type your phone number. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click right in here, and it will be automatically copied. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll simply verify my phone number. You can pick, for example, the SMS, the code from the SMS message, or for example, the missed call. It's completely up to you. I'll select the missed call. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, you should have something like that, contacts and media. Now we need to click on continue, click on allow and allow. Now we need to click give permission, click on add account. And now we have the MicroG services. We need to click on sign in. We need to wait a few seconds. And now it is really important. We need to log in into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. So in here we need to type it. That's what I'm going to do right now. Give me a few seconds. Okay, then click on next. And now simply type your password. It should appear any second. Alright. We can click on save. It's completely up to you. Click on next. Click on agree. Now wait a few seconds. And now we have option to restore our chats. Above you can see the date on when the last backup was made, also the size of it, and the account on which we made that backup. And as you can see, it's the same Google account that I have just typed. So now simply click on restore. Now we need to wait a few seconds. It won't take long. In my case, because I don't have that many messages. Alright, 30 messages restored. Click on next. In here, simply type your name. Okay, and also if you want, you can change the profile photo by clicking this icon. Then click on next. In here, if you want, you can add your email. I'm going to skip it. It's not necessary. Alright, and now as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos, photos, and normal messages has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.